This is ZIPPO. You've probably heard of our windproof lighter, but you should know we're more than that. We're innovators. We're artists. We're industry leaders. We're community leaders. We're a lifestyle brand. But most importantly, we're people, co-workers, and friends. We market in more than 180 countries, and we have local offices in China, Germany, France, and the UK. But this is where we're headquartered, Bradford, Pennsylvania. This is what we do when we're not working. And this is what we do when we are working. We've been around since 1932, and we've been family owned ever since. So you know our priorities are in the right place. We love working here, and we think you will too.